Happy Friday and happy Zoo Day to you. Today we are taking you out live to the San Diego Zoo to introduce you to the pouched rat.
Yeah, Marco's standing by to tell us about the pouched rat and all the skills she has. Marco, tell us.
Absolutely, and if you notice, I'm wearing the superhero pose right now because I'm going to tell you about a very unique hero here at the San Diego Zoo. Look what's happening right now, you guys. Welcome Mahinda. Mahinda is known not just any rat. This is the giant pouched rat that you can find in Africa, but they're also really well known for being referred to as the hero rat. Now, I know you're wondering, why are we calling a rat a hero rat? Well, this is an organization we help support for a very unique program. One, this animal, they're amazing at digging and foraging for food, and they're called the pouched rats because look at her Mahinda eat right now. As she's eating, she can actually store food into her little cheeks, up to 2 golf ball size worth of food in those pouches. But, right, it's amazing. But not only that, the sense of smell. So this organization that we're helping to support is helping to detect landmines out in parts of the world, and rats are helping out with this process. So for instance, what an animal like this can do with proper training is detect a landmine in rural areas and communities. A third of the world's areas has landmines, and this is affecting a lot of low-income communities out in the world, right? So a wonderful rat like this who doesn't have the weight to actually trigger a landmine can effectively detect a landmine. The human can then remove that item from the area, and we can give back that beautiful land back to communities out there. So I think that's just amazing.
Yeah, that's
very
incredible
impressive.
talent.
Saving lives.
We could all obviously benefit from around the world. So similar to canines, Marco, could you describe, obviously their sense of smell, I would imagine, is really powerful?
Oh, amazing. No, absolutely right. And so you mentioned canine search and rescue. So yes, you still can utilize dogs. Dogs are amazing. But a rat, for instance, I told you about the landmine usage, right? But also for search and rescue. For instance, in earthquakes, you know, a devastating thing that can happen here in Southern California, we can actually work with an amazing species like the pouched rat. And this animal can weave in and out areas that a dog can't access. And also sometimes in those scenarios, if maybe the human regrettably maybe fall sick that day and can't bring their dog, usually a canine will work with only one specific individual, but a rat doesn't care at all. That will work with any kind of human as well, and they're super adaptable. So not only landmines, search and rescue, possibly even for wildlife trafficking in around parts of Africa as well, detecting maybe ivory or the horn of a rhino, right?
Certainly heroes.
Stuff, yeah.
Okay.
Hey, we're under a minute here, but big tail and big ears I noticed too.
Yeah, very big ears, but really it's all about that sense of smell, you guys, and that sense of smell helps them find all sorts of food. Their favorite, though, in the wild is going to be palm fruits and palm seeds, actually, and areas in eastern and southern Africa, Kenya, Zambia as an example, Tanzania, you can find this really unique species, but it just highlights one, I'm all about the underdogs, right, and also diversity of animals around the world, and yes, even a beautiful rat like this can benefit mankind as well. So big props for our hero rats here at the San Diego Zoo.
That's right. March Madness, we can cheer on the underdog at the zoo.
Of course we can.
That's right.
Just don't want to see that running through my kitchen.
No,
that's right, you guys.
Better in Marco's hands. All right, thanks for joining us, Marco.
Totally right. I get it.
We'll be back with your news at noon.